Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, Earth's emerald heart, teeming with life and mystery. Join me as we uncover the secrets of its most formidable inhabitants, exploring the raw, untamed power of nature. In the forest's dappled light, the jaguar reigns supreme. This apex predator, with its powerful leap and camouflaged coat, is a master of stealth. A solitary hunter, it moves silently, stalking prey with supernatural quietness. Its bite, the strongest of any feline, can pierce skulls, taking down even armored caimans. The jaguar is a keystone species, maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. It embodies the wild spirit of the Amazon, a silent king in the shadows. Beneath the Amazon's murky waters lurks the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world. This aquatic titan waits submerged, eyes and nostrils above water, ready to strike. It seizes prey with backward curving teeth, then coils its massive body, squeezing with unimaginable force. The prey succumbs to asphyxiation, and the anaconda swallows it whole, sustaining itself for months. A true giant, it is perfectly adapted to its watery realm. The Amazon's most lethal creatures are often the most beautiful, like the poison dart frog. Its vibrant colors warn predators of its potent toxins, acquired from its diet. A single golden poison frog carries enough poison to kill 10 men. Indigenous tribes use this toxin on blowgun darts for hunting, a testament to their deep knowledge of the forest. This tiny amphibian exemplifies the intricate relationship between humans and nature. As night falls, the black caiman, a modern-day dinosaur, begins its patrol. This 6-meter predator is camouflaged in the water, eyes glowing in the dark. It preys on anything near the water, from capybaras to jaguars, with a bone-crushing bite. A patient hunter, it explodes from the water, dragging prey beneath to drown. The black caiman is a crucial regulator of the river ecosystem, commanding respect. The bullet ant, small yet formidable, commands respect with its legendary sting. Its venom causes excruciating pain, likened to being shot, lasting up to 24 hours. Indigenous tribes use these ants in initiation rituals, a test of endurance and strength. This tiny insect's defense is a powerful deterrent, a testament to nature's ingenuity. The bullet ant's pain is a rite of passage, proving readiness for adulthood. The electric eel, a master of electrical defense, navigates the Amazon's murky waters. Not a true eel, it uses electrical fields to hunt and communicate. It can unleash a jolt of up to 860 volts, stunning prey and deterring predators. This living battery is a marvel of evolution, harnessing lightning's power to survive. The electric eel's shocking abilities are a testament to nature's creativity. The piranha, with its fearsome reputation, is a vital scavenger of the Amazon. Its razor-sharp teeth and powerful bite are perfect for its role as the river's cleanup crew. Feeding frenzies are rare, triggered by specific conditions like food scarcity. While not as dangerous as myths suggest, they are opportunistic and respect is warranted. The piranha's blend of fact and fiction highlights its role as an efficient opportunist. Our Amazon journey reveals a world of power and beauty, each creature vital to the ecosystem. This rainforest, a treasure of biological wonders, faces threats from deforestation and climate change. Protecting the Amazon is crucial for our planet's health and future discoveries. Thank you for joining this expedition. Share your thoughts and subscribe for more adventures. Together, we can explore, learn, and fight for our planet's most precious places.